Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to switch inputs on your DYON Movie Smart TV. First of all, you either have to navigate to the input icon on your home screen, or if you cannot find it, just press input button on your remote control. It's at the very top, or it's in the top right corner of your remote control, right next to the power button. And once you press this button, you will be redirected to the input icon on your home screen automatically. And now scroll down, and here you'll be able to select a different input channel for your TV just by navigating to it and clicking OK. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.